Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Julie B. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy-made appetizer. This will just take few minutes of preparations to completely finish the said appetizer. First, we will be needing the following ingredients. We need shrimp, tomato, onion, chili and other spices, salt, calamansi or lime, and for the equipments, we will just be using a multi-purpose slicer or anything that can mash the shrimp. After you remove the head of the shrimp, put all the shrimp inside the slicer. And then blend until it fully crushed. This is the grind shrimp. Mix it with tomato and then the onion. Salt. And then the mixture of spices. And then mix them together. And then you can add lime. Now, this is the finished product and ready to serve.